It would take no less than the sitting chief executive to approve a deal that involves the country's sovereign rights. This was what the Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, expounded on in its statement regarding the said issue and other important matters that needs to be made very clear as well. What that is, Patrick De Jesus illuminates in this report.
The Philippine Department of Foreign Affairs maintained that there is no agreement on having a new model in the West Philippine Sea. The DFA stated that only the President can approve or authorize any agreement, while confirming that there is no cabinet-level official of the Marcos administration that signed off or approved this Chinese proposal. The AFP, on the other hand, is not surprised that China dragged them into this issue and added, false information being spread by China should not be entertained.
It's not surprising that the AFP will be dragged into this, but we are one nga, all of us, kahit sino naman ang tanungin nyo, nobody is really saying that there's actual truth to this. So it doesn't even merit response from our end.
Philippine Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore Roy Vincent Trinidad, also issued a strong statement calling the new model by China as zombie stories that should be put in the grave and never be heard of again. On the other hand, the BRP Lake Caliraya will serve as live target practice during one of Balikatan's highlight exercises tomorrow in a maritime strike. It is now within the waters of Ilocos Norte after it was towed from Manila by a tugboat. It will be pounded into a pulp using high-powered missiles, weapon, sea and aerial assets by the Philippines, America, as well as Australia on its location inside the 12 nautical miles territorial waters of the Philippines.
During the Mars strike, several AFP, U.S. and Australian Defense Force platforms will integrate to simultaneously sense and shoot a decommissioned ship. By integrating our systems and processes and creating an integrated fires network, we are improving the combined capability of our AFP-US force.
The AFP reiterated there is absolutely no any correlation to any issue in using such made-in-China ship as the target of the exercise. This was a former tanker of Philippine National Oil Company before being donated to the Philippine Navy and is now decommissioned.
It is not directed to any particular country. It's actually directed towards fostering a greater defense posture in any kind of scenario. So it just so happened that there is really no correlation as to the source of the ship. We take into perspective kung ano po yung assets na pwede nating gamitin for these exercises. So it's pure coincidental if that is the case.
Meanwhile, the AFP confirmed the 4 People's Liberation Army Navy warships in Cebuto Passage near Tawi-Tawi last week.
This really usually happens in the high seas and even in these areas, as long as there is nothing na kabaha-bahala sa activities nila, then it is actually considered as innocent passage. We do not want to raise any cause of alarm for sa ating mga kababayan, kaya nga po monitored natin ito.
On the Chinese research vessels monitored recently, the AFP said they are now outside the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Patrick De Jesus for the National TV for a new and better Philippines.